A function is a self-contained block of code that performs a specific task. PHP has a huge collection of internal or built-in functions that you can call directly within your PHP script to perform a specific task. For example, there is the getType function, the print function, the printr function, the var dump, the date function. All those are inbuilt PHP functions. For example, if you create a variable here called today, so we want to put it equals to the date function. We're going to pass day inside it, and then we echo out the function. We expect to get Tuesday inside our web browser, as today is Tuesday. Okay, now when we want to check out, the kind of variable this variable is, we could use the var dump. So we could see here that the type of the variable of this variable called today, the type is a string. It is having 3 characters, that is T, U, and E. So these are examples of inbuilt functions in PHP. Okay, so first things first, again, what we're going to do is we're going to see how can you create your own variables. In addition to built-in functions, PHP also has user-defined functions, your choice. You can create your own function, your own customized name, but you're not supposed to create a function name that starts with a number. Okay, it should follow exactly the rules when you're creating variables. So it is a way to create reusable code packages that perform specific tasks and can be kept and maintained separately from the main program. Okay, so how do you create a function in PHP? You start by defining the function keyword, and then it follows by the function underscore, name, and then the parentheses, and then your curly braces. Just like this. This is how it is done. Okay, so we're going to create one function right here. Okay, so we created a function successfully right here. Okay, so this is the function that we created. We created a function. We said when you create a function, start with the function keyword and then the function name. Okay, in this case our function name is what is today, and then inside the curly braces we're having a statement here, a code here that you echo today plus this inbuilt function called date function. So it's going to print the day. So today is plus the day, which is today. Okay, so we call the function right here what is today function. So when we save this and we run it, we should expect to see today is Tuesday, which is correct. Tuesday right here. Okay, so that is how it works. Another example, let's create a function that can accept parameters, and then you have to specify those parameters when you're running or when you're calling the function. Right now this is a function that we created. Okay, this is the same function right here when we're defining it, but then this time around we're going to create a function and then we give it arguments inside here, the parentheses. But then when we create those functions, those arguments, we need to specify those arguments also when we are calling the function. Okay, so this is the solution. We created a function right here called getSum, and then we passed in these arguments, the variables num1 and num2. Okay, then we said inside the function, inside the parentheses, inside the curly braces, was creating another variable called sum, which is going to add the values of this num1 and this num2. But in this case, inside the function, those numbers are not there. So when you're calling the function is when you specify those numbers inside the parentheses of the function. So in this case, 34 plus 55 equals to 86 that we're seeing right here. So if we say maybe 34 plus 44, we are going to get 78, which is the result of addition of 34 and 44.